Hi guys, and this is Garage Ninja 3, even though I haven't been on here in forever on the screen. Because, my computer was jacked up, but I just decided to make a video, but, before that, I just got hacked. Seriously. The guy in the sky, I just got on this one. Done. That one. And, I looked at my character, and yeah, I was on this, the he comment. Just like this, it says, you guys to on the document. Oh, and they have spikes now. I think they just came out today, and I got it. Yeah. And I have a few things that I need to trade. So I'm going to put them on my trade list from now on that I want to trade. Done. One second. Never use those. Like that. Put that. Okay, so there we go. There's my list that I want to trade. Even though my computer is not going to trade me anything. So, yeah. It's pretty much it. And if you see me, I need to say hey. I use period and capital letter. So if I didn't use it, that means I've been hacked before. But I scared the crap out of the other person with my other account. You get off my account and I'm gonna find you. Oh, so raging. So, yeah. So, next video I'm gonna do a night just. Oh, and I really want to know how to speed this thing up. Please tell me. Please.